In our fast-paced world, filled with challenges and constant demands, finding a moment of peace can seem almost impossible. Yet, the ancient practice of mindfulness offers us a powerful tool to navigate this chaos with grace and resilience. Welcome to Mettle Momentum, where today we explore how harnessing the power of mindfulness can transform your ability to handle life's challenges, enhance your resilience, and lead you towards profound personal growth. Mindfulness isn't just a practice but a way of being that allows us to experience the present moment fully, without judgment or distraction. It's about awakening to the richness of each moment that life offers, and using this awareness to cultivate a strength that endures even the toughest storms. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of mindfulness. We'll uncover its roots, its myriad benefits, and practical ways to integrate it into your daily routine. Whether you're facing stress, seeking deeper emotional resilience, or simply wishing to enhance your overall well-being, mindfulness offers a path to achieving these goals with clarity and calm. Stay with us as we explore how to turn mindfulness from a concept into a practical tool for living a more resilient, focused, and fulfilling life. Welcome to a journey of discovery, stillness, and transformation. Welcome to Mettle Momentum. Every day, we are bombarded with distractions, decisions, and demands. In this whirlwind of activity, finding a moment of calm can feel like an impossible task. But what if we could cultivate an oasis of tranquility within ourselves, no matter the external circumstances? Mindfulness is the art of maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment. It's about observing these experiences without judgment, learning to respond rather than react. At its core, mindfulness is rooted in ancient practices, yet its benefits are backed by modern science. Research has shown that regular mindfulness practice can significantly reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall psychological well-being. Studies have documented changes in the brain structure and function among those who practice mindfulness regularly. Areas related to attention, emotion regulation, and self-awareness are particularly affected, leading to noticeable improvements in everyday life. For example, mindfulness has been shown to decrease activity in the amygdala, the brain region associated with fear and emotion processing, which helps to lower stress levels. So, how can we incorporate mindfulness into our daily lives? Let's explore some practical techniques that can be done anywhere, anytime, to foster resilience and a peaceful mind. Mindful breathing. Start with mindful breathing. Focus solely on the sensation of breathing in and out. This simple practice can serve as an anchor, bringing you back to the present whenever you feel overwhelmed. Body scan. Try the body scan technique. Move your attention slowly through various parts of the body, from your feet to your head. This helps to connect with your body and notice areas that might be holding tension. Mindful observation. Engage in mindful observation. Choose an object within your visual field and simply notice its colors, shapes, and textures. This exercise can help calm the mind and sharpen your focus. Integrating these practices into your routine can help you build resilience against stress and foster a sense of inner peace. As you become more present and aware, you'll find yourself responding to life's challenges with greater calmness and clarity. Join us in the next segment as we delve deeper into advanced mindfulness practices and their transformative power. Remember, the journey to resilience is ongoing, and each step towards mindfulness is a step towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to Mettle Momentum for more insights into mastering the art of living well. While basic mindfulness practices provide a solid foundation, advancing your techniques can deepen the benefits and enhance your resilience. Let's explore some advanced practices that can further your journey into mindfulness and strengthen your ability to thrive in the face of life's challenges. Mindfulness meditation is a practice where you sit quietly and pay attention to your thoughts, sounds, the sensations of breathing, or parts of the body. It combines concentration with awareness, allowing you to experience profound calm and focus. Loving-kindness meditation, or metta meditation, involves mentally sending goodwill, kindness, and warmth towards others by silently repeating a series of phrases. This practice not only helps reduce stress and improve emotional well-being but also fosters a greater sense of connectedness with others. Mindful eating is about using mindfulness to reach a state of full attention to your experiences, cravings, and physical cues when eating. It transforms your relationship with food and can significantly enhance your appreciation of meals and control over eating habits. Walking meditation is a form of mindfulness that involves walking slowly and deliberately, paying attention to the movement of your body and how it feels to walk. Each step becomes a way to connect to the present moment, helping to ground your thoughts and emotions. By integrating these advanced mindfulness practices into your life, you can develop a deeper sense of peace, enhance your mental clarity, and build resilience that permeates every aspect of your existence. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that grows with practice and patience. If you found these practices helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Mettle Momentum for more guides on enhancing your mental wellness. Comment below with your experiences or any questions you have about mindfulness. We are here to support each other on this journey towards a more mindful and resilient life.